Hello again, it's Tony here. I'm here today to do a review on Back to Basics, which is sorely needed because we haven't had anything to do with this. For those who are just entering into on the internet world and who are stuck on the technical side of it, well, here's a refreshing product for people just like you who want to know about the technical side and how to handle that. So yes, so if you, because of that, I guess internet marketing got you confused. It's time to go back to basics. That's right. And that's what this is, it's a basic overview of the technical side of the internet, on internet marketing. So what is back to basics all about? Well, this course will you help you if you are just starting out, or even if you have been trying to make money online but haven't found your lack of technical skills has been holding you back. Back to Basics matches you. Uh, Back to Basics teaches you how to make money as an affiliate without needing a website, without needing an email list, and without needing to make review videos, which is what I'm doing right now, right? you know, but, so, prices and upsells. Front end, Back to Basics. At the front end is $9.95, which is cheap as chips, cheap as a t-shirt, I guess, or, access to powerful Back to Basics software and training modules. Upsell number one, Back to Basics Pro version, $37, downsell $17. Advanced basic techniques, including how to make videos without putting your self on camera. Upsell number two, Executive Club, $37. Upsell, $70 downsell. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Upsell number three, reseller rights, $37, $17 downsell. Get reseller rights to Back to Basics. Sell it as if it was your own product. Upsell number four, done for you weekly campaigns, $97, then $47 downsell. Get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Upsell number 5, become a better tester for the Elite Academy, $997 for $497 at 3 payments. Become a better tester for my new program, the Elite Academy, and join at less than half the regular price. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. No actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. New unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, proven profitable over and over, works in any niche, works right now, all the traffic is built in. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Now, yeah, I think, yes, we'll watch the demo because I'm not that great at doing a demo video. But anyway, this guy is the owner of this Back to Basics, so I think he'll probably go over it better than I can, so I'll let him take it from here. Okay, so enjoy.
Okay, so welcome to this very quick demo of Back to Basics. I'm here inside the members area, and before I do that, I just want to give a quick overview, as most people do, of recent earnings from using this system and the various other systems that I use for affiliate and internet marketing, because since I started affiliate marketing at the start of 2019 online, so I'm into my third year now, so about 2.5 years in, there's been a steady growth of my income during that period. So I just wanted to show you how things stand right at this moment. So as you can see here, income for the last 30 days, so we're here on the 21st of July that I'm recording this, has been 38,339. Now it has gone over 40 quite recently, as you'll actually see below on the sales page, and you'll also see a snapshot that I've done from almost an identical day 1 year earlier. So I think I did the screenshot that you can see below on the sales page from, if I'm not mistaken, the 17th of July this year, and then I did one from the 16th of July last year. So you can see that the average monthly income is more than doubling. So it's gone from 20,000 a month in the middle of last year, or just over 20,000 a month, I think it was 22, up to now sort of 40. So obviously, if that continues to double, then hopefully, you know, all things being well, we might be looking at maybe 80,000 this time next year. That would be nice, wouldn't it? But obviously, it's proof that the systems that I employ actually work. So that's a bit of income proof for you. So let's head back to the members area. So in here you'll find obviously welcomes from me and the other members of the team, Manoj and Walter. Then we've got an overview of the Back to Basics system. Then we've got the main training section where we go through all of the you know, the elements themselves. Then we've got some free resources for you, which includes a huge bundle of over 50 products that you can use, a bit of information on how you can use those resources as well. And then there are bonuses which you can see on the sales page as well. And if you miss any upgrades, there's an opportunity to pick them up here. So it's a very concise course. Obviously, it's a basic course. It's designed to be very easy for you to work through because it's aimed at people that are new or with very limited technical knowledge. So everything is really explained clearly in both video and in easy to follow slides that you can watch. So I think that you will find that if you've been in any way struggling online to get your head around all of these difficult terminologies and have just been a little bit overwhelmed with everything that you've seen so far, then Back to Basics really is a course for you that will solidify how you can get started with making some serious money online, and that you can look forward in the future to enjoy the sort of income figures that I've just shown you on those earlier examples. So look forward to seeing you inside the members area of Back to Basics.
So there you are. He's explained that to you. Let's see. Oh. What have I done now? Oh. Yeah, so he's explained that to you. So there you go. There we have it. So you can get Back to Basics now and get all the bonuses below, which is Jono's bonuses. Bonus number 1. What is it? Eclipse. Access Eclipse for the first 24 hours and eclipse your traffic. Back to bonus number 2. 2 HQ traffic sources to use. Bonus number 3. 10K email manifesto case study. And bonus number 4. Boomerang Buddy Pro. Now get Boomerang Buddy, you know, to help you with your the Back to Basics system. Okay, and bonus number 5, special bonus, take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. And you will get that in your Warrior Plus account when you access your purchase. Underneath that will be the access to bonuses. Okay, and thank you, Jono, for letting me use your insane bonuses. Now we'll go to the sales page now and have a quick look at the sales page. Okay, okay, hang on a minute, we've just made a blue. Okay, we'll get, yeah, there we go. Okay, sorry about that. Made a bit of a blue, didn't I, here? So there you go. Internet marketing got you confused. It's time to go back to the basics. Yes. Are you ready to finally get big results? Easy to follow, step by step, to make money online. No tech skills needed whatsoever. No website or a list needed. Suitable for complete beginners. Earn even if you've never done before. Full video training provided, and so much more. So here's the guy here. You can watch that. Click here to get access right now. No risk, 30-day money back guarantee. Yeah, $9.95 is the entry fee. So that's the first yep, the front end. That's the front end price. So yeah, and these are the three guys that are responsible for this product, which is, I think, is well overdue, and it's probably going to help a few people who don't understand about how affiliate marketing works. Okay, and there's the video we just watched on Jono's bonus page, and it's with these back to basics methods you can achieve affiliate sales like us. There's some proof for you. Yep. And you can get access for as low as $9.95. Back to basics, get all the full training on how to get started earning online. Step by step, easy to follow videos, lots of free additional training and resources, no tech skills needed, total newbie friendly, no website or email list needed to start. All the methods work perfectly in 2021. Wait, if you get back to basics today, you can take these 5 fast action bonuses for even better results. Discount on Academy membership. Become a member of our own high ticket program for less than half price. Exclusive Facebook group. Private Facebook group with free additional training each and every week. Massive product bundle. Massive product bundle. Get a huge bundle of our 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. 20 times reseller rights to 20 of David's previous products. Dedicated customer support 24/7 support from our top team. Yeah, buy without risk. Don't like it, no worries. The product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if if you don't like it, you can return this within the 30 days with a no questions asked money back guarantee. They'll just refund your money. Okay. So, want this done for you? The decision is now. Early bird list. Click here. Oh, right. So there you have it. Well, that's the sales page. There you go. It's the sales page. And we'll go to the members area now. And there's the members area. Okay, and we've got a welcome video. You got back to the basics. Get the pro version. Support, log out. Are you ready to be elite? You got your overview, which I'll go to here. Oh, what we got? Overview of back to basics. And then main training settings. Here they are here. You've got your introduction to the training. Hello from Manoj. Quick overview. Affiliate marketing defined. Affiliate programs. Facebook Medium, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube videos, ebooks, forums, using affiliate links, wrapping things up, how to use the resources. Okay, that's the training area. It's concise. It's not going to overwhelm you, so it should be something that you can get through really quickly. Brown bear. Here's the resources: the brown bear bargains, free squeeze pages, and special bonus page for back to basics. So I guess that's the well, 50 products are bundled into here, so that's another added bonus that you've got, like you said on the video. You got your conclusion, your bonuses, how to access your back to the basics bonuses. Then you got your upgrades, if you ever want those, like you said. There they are there. Back to basics pro version, executive club, reseller rights, done for you weekly campaigns, become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. And understanding bonuses. Mike from Maine bonus, ongoing Udanva bonus, Joan Atrees bonus, Monique Kumar bonus. So there's your bonuses as well. So there, and for that, and then it's search through the course. Okay, so there you have it. That's the course, and that's that's for $9.95. It's a great training course for beginners, and thank you for staying with me and going through this whole presentation here, a review of this back to basics course. And if you want to pick it up, we'll go back to Jono's bonuses now, and we'll have a quick go through those again, because what you can do is you can pick up access to Eclipse for the first 12 hours, and then you can do 2 HQ traffic sources to use. But bonus number 2, bonus number 3, 10K email manifesto case study, bonus number 4, Boomerang Buddy Pro, and bonus number 5, special bonus, take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. So this is what you do when you click on my link in the description to pick up pick up back to basics today. Okay, and that will be in my description, and you click on the link, and then you will get will be sent to your Warrior Plus account, and the bonuses will be underneath. Alright, so I'll see you in the next review. Thank you for watching. Bye now.